Hey folks, hey, good evening. This is Wesley Virgin here. Jump in real quickly here. What I want to talk about is how to use email to earn $10,000 this month. And I'm showing you that this is all my different accounts on ClickBank. If you don't know who I am, my name is Wesley Virgin. I went from the bottom to the top. And now my purpose is to help you make money online and learn how to manifest whatever you want, okay, quickly here. So this is some daily income, $38,000 here, one account. Another account, $2,000 here. Another account, $22,000, 23. And I want you to imagine if you were making this type of daily income. But in this video, real quickly here, I want to show you what to do right now with your email to earn $10,000. You don't need any money. You don't need any skill. If you have a 9-to-5 job, fuck that job. Because once you pay attention, I'm gonna show you how to do this here. Now understand this. I've been doing internet marketing for years now. And it took me 7 years to make my first sale. I was a slow learner, okay? I wasn't that smart. But what I've learned is that there's a lot of internet marketers out there that are not giving people the actual tools to win. They always want you to buy something. But in this video, it's on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. If you can hear my voice right now, just hit the like and share button here. I'm just going to service you. I'm going to give you the tips. You can record this video. You can shut your door, go in a private room, put headphones on, but pay attention. What I'm going to show you is how to 100% guarantee to earn $10,000 from your email. Is that cool? Can everybody give me a thumbs up? And let's go! All right, so before I get started, do one thing for me. Come to your phone. Come to your phone and your laptop. Come close. No, seriously. Come close. Come. All right, now move back because your breath stink. It smells bad. Pull back. I'm just kidding, folks. All right, let's get started here. I know you're like, what? Do my breath really stink? Yeah, probably does. All right, let's get started here. All right, so you see, this is called aweber.com. Question, have you ever got an email that, people are trying to sell you some bullshit, right? Let me show you. Watch this. So if I go into yahoo.com, okay, and like Amazon's trying to sell me stuff, Mark and Barry, who in the hell is Mark and Barry? I don't know. Freelancer.com, all these people are emailing me trying to sell me stuff. Does anybody get emails like this? All right? Emails every day. Buy this, Walmart.com, Amazon.com, Saks.com, whatever. Target, all these people. Well, that's called email marketing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use what you have today to market to other people. You don't need a product, okay? All you need is an email address and an Aweber account. Let me show you, okay? Now, let me log into my Aweber account. Now, you may ask me, well, what is an Aweber account? An Aweber account is an email service provider. So all these stupid emails that you get every day is coming from a service like this. And let me show you. Check this out. I'm going to log into my account here, okay? Now, as you can see here, now pay attention, big head, please. Pay attention. Guys, if you can hear me, can you hit the like and share button, please? Yeah, share it. Yeah, you. Share it right now. Okay, cool. All right, so look at that. I have over 289,000 email addresses in my database. Okay? Look at that. Now, let me break it down to you because you may say, well, Wesley, how does that monetize to money? Like, how does that relate to money? I earn per month. Every email address that I have here is worth $1. Can somebody say, ooh, let's go? Yeah, that's $1, okay? $1. So can anybody do the math? If I earn $1 per email address, how much money do I make per month based off this number? Put it below, please. First one to get it right, I'm going to see you $20. Hello? How much money am I making per month just based off this email database here? Hello? Put it below. What's the number? I'm going to send you a PayPal. Exactly, Justin. Send me a DM. I'm going to send you $20 via Cash App right now. Yes, I earned $289,000 and $729 per month just based off the freaking email. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, how do you do this? Right? Because I want to quit my job. Because I'm tired of working at Pizza Hut, Walmart, Chick-fil-A. I'm tired of working at the department stores. Fuck, I don't want to be a waitress and waiter anymore, okay? So, take it up. Now, or maybe you want to leave the corporate world, right? That 9-to-5 dumb job, and you're in your cubicles every day, and your boss putting those TPS reports on your desk, and you're getting stressed out, okay? I know most of you cry in the bathroom at your jobs, don't you? How many of you, I got a question. How many of you cry in the bathroom at your jobs doing lunch? I'm just curious. Trust me. I used to do it too. All right, but I love all of you. Now listen, check it out. So Wesley Virgin is making $289,000. I got to do a quick video because I have to go to dinner. So I got about I got about 5 minutes or 7 minutes. Now check it out. What you do is this. I go here and hit create a message. Okay. Create a message. You see here? And this is going to be a quick video, but if you want the full training, I'll leave a link below just in case you need it, because I got to go. Got a hot date tonight, so you know how that is. So I got to roll out here. But look at this. So check it out. So you write the email, blah, 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 blah. Buy my stuff, right? Whatever. Buy my stuff. And what I would do, I'm going to leave a link below in the training, and I'm going to show you the exact type of email that you need to write to be able to get money. But this is called email copy. Open this. I'm just giving you guys an example, okay? So say if I was going to send this email. Open this, buy my stuff, right? And I put save and exit. Are you guys with me? Okay. And then I would just schedule it, okay? And I could be at dinner, having dinner with a beautiful, gorgeous young lady, that I care about, and making money, because I can send the email out at any time, 11 o'clock p.m. tonight, while I'm having dinner, while we at the movies. You got to think about this, folks. This is called email marketing, that you can send an email out, okay, at any time and make money, all right? This is why I call it sleep money. And I'm going to leave a link below that you can click after this video, but watch it to the very end. Now, check this out. Let me show you something. Okay, so I have 2 different accounts. I got about 2 minutes. Okay, I got 3 minutes left, okay? Let me log in real quickly here. Let me show you something. I'm going to show you proof here, okay? You see all these emails that are going out right here? Let's click on campaigns. Now, understand, this is another ESP. It's called SendLane. You don't have to use that. I do recommend to use Aweber for newbies, okay? Now, you see this money here? I sent that email out the other night. Guess how much money I made on that one? That was like $4,000, $300, $3,000, $5,000, right? These are just email campaigns that I send out, okay? Now, check it out. Now, it does work, okay? First step, get an Aweber account. Second step, now you need to pull in emails. In the training, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook and your social media to get free email addresses so you can send out mail to people and market to them and make money, okay? Does that make sense? So, guys, I got to go here. If you got any value, hit the like and share button. I just showed you how I am earning about $300,000 per month, and this is a different account. So that's $169,000. So that's another $169,000 I'm earning per month, because all I'm doing, I'm collecting emails and I'm sending emails out. Okay, I'm doing the same thing that like Walmart is doing, right? I'm doing the same thing that Amazon is doing, Vimeo. All these people, they send you all these crazy emails because they want you to buy things. Guess what? Now you can do it. And guess what? You can do it for free. Aweber costs about $10, $19. You get an Aweber account, but you got to start collecting emails by using your social media. I got to go. So what I want you to do is, in the description below, I'm going to leave a nice link for you called Sleep Money. I want to chat with you personally. Me and you. Hello, stop. Me and you are going to chat, and I'm going to show you how to collect emails at a minimum of 1,000 a day. Because once you get 10,000 emails, that's $10,000 a month. You get 5,000, that's $5,000 a month. And I'm also going to show you in this training basically what to send to the email to make the money. Is that cool? Okay. Is that cool? Is everybody cool? You good? You Gucci? I'm sorry, guys. I know I'm acting up right now. But go ahead and click the link below, guys. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you. I can't wait to see you in the training. But basically, this is what you can do. Watch the video again to earn money using your email address, using your email account, using your social media here. Watch the video again if you missed anything, because I know I talk fast. But right now, I am hangry. That means I'm hungry plus angry. So I got to go. Let's go. Much love. Later. Let's go.